Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu states, I got a she-camel as a share from the spoils of Badr, and the same day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted me another she-camel from the royal fifth. When I intended to consummate my marriage with Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha, the daughter of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I had a promise of a goldsmith from Banu Qaynuqa to go along with me and fetch idkhir grass. I intended to sell the grass to the goldsmith in order to arrange wedding feast with its income. When I was arranging saddle sacks and tethers for my she-camels, they both were sitting beside the house of an Ansari. When I had collected what I had to collect, I all of a sudden saw that the humps of both she-camels had been chopped off and their livers had been removed, cleaving their abdomens. Seeing this sight, I could not control my eyes, burst into tears. I asked, who has done it? The people replied, Hazrat Hamza bin Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu anhu has done so, and he is along with some helpers who are wine-bibbers, and a female singer sang a song to him and his companions. And while singing, she said, listen, O Hamza, there are nice fat she-camels. Hazrat Hamza radiyallahu anhu thereupon got up with his sword, chopped their humps off, cleaved their abdomens and pulled out their livers. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, I then returned and entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while Hazrat Zaid bin Haris radiyallahu anhu was also sitting with him. Seeing my face, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam discerned the feeling of my heart. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what happened to you? I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have never seen such a horrible day. Hazrat Hamza radiyallahu anhu has oppressed my she-camels. He has severed their humps and cleaved their abdomens, and he is sitting with some wine-bibber in the house. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon asked for his chador, wrapped it around him, went on foot, whereas I and Hazrat Zaid followed him. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached the door of the house wherein Hazrat Hamza radiyallahu anhu was sitting. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sought the permission, and they gave the permission while they were imbibing wine. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam started reproaching Hazrat Hamza radiyallahu anhu for what he had done. Hazrat Hamza's eyes got red. He looked at Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He then raised him, glance up to the knees of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He then raised his glance and looked at the face of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Hamza radiyallahu anhu then said, you are the slave of my father. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam realized that Hazrat Hamza was absolutely inebriated. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then turned on his heels and came back, and we also returned along with him. Imam Muslim has mentioned another authority of this hadith. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5101.